Hello everyone, I am Sampath, an experienced ServiceNow developer working for Palni India Pvt Limited, with a strong background in delivering successful projects for customers worldwide, including multiple implementations of ServiceNow Performance Analytics. In this series, I will be guiding you through the foundational aspects of ServiceNow, helping you build a solid understanding of the user interface and navigation. Whether you are just starting out or looking to refresh your knowledge, these videos are designed to build your confidence as we explore ServiceNow capabilities. Our step-by-step approach will introduce you to essential concepts, tips, and techniques, ensuring that you feel comfortable and efficient as you navigate the platform. I will also provide a basic understanding of overview of ServiceNow, navigation and access, forms, lists and filters, tasks, reports, knowledge management, service catalog, virtual agent. By the end of this series, you will have the skills to confidently work within ServiceNow and make the most of its features. Let's get started on your journey to mastering the basics of ServiceNow.